Hey everyone, so I just upgraded to Puff Count app and I just want to share it, how it works. And it's quite a popular app to quit vaping. It's getting in charts, so highly recommended. There are a bunch of other apps, but they don't have that much traction yet. So this is kind of an interesting app if you want to quit vaping. Concerned about your vaping habit and what it's doing to your health, looking to cut back but it can't live without that feeling. Puff Count is a proven to work app that will help you quit vaping. Join over 375 thousand users who use puff count and start your journey. So you can just track puffs, track MG levels, visualize your quit progress, daily, weekly, and monthly status, quit with your friends, create your custom quit plan, daily limits, goal tracking, easily track every puff you take, usage monitor, daily puff limit and strength, sets daily limits to hold yourself accountable, recognize triggers, quit buddies. You don't have to do this alone. Invite your friends. Custom quit plan. Choose the date you want to quit vaping for good. So yes, that's just the idea. Um, that's just how you can add a new buddy. That's how you enter your friends. But I guess you just start with the plan, a personalized plan. So here it is. So select options. So this is your quit date. So this is the day you will quit for good. Setting a date increases the likelihood you'll meet your goal. Choose a date that's realistic and achievable based on your current intake. So just set it up. How many puffs do you take a day? So for example, you can just select it like that. Um, and then you can see it here. And then you just set it up. You have countdown timer, which will keep you motivated. And then you can also see like the progress graph shows your daily progress. Your auto set puff limit for each day is in red. So you can't kind of cross that limit. So yeah, it can be quite aggressive for you, but then that's basically what it is. So on the first day, your limit is just as usual, like 10, for example. Then on the next day, it's a bit lower and lower and lower. So then you just have it like this, and then you just record your puff. So that's it. You just record it like that. You can also set strengths, if just to figure it out, and then you set up another. So settings. Um, so you can set up strengths, milligram per milliliter or percentage. I don't know actually how. There's just another. So basically, you're just doing it like that, and then you have your usage monitor, and then you have your profile where you can do something like auto tracking. I don't know how is that possible, but so you can try to do some auto tracking here. I don't know if that is working, but basically, yeah. So here, you just run set it up, just a motivational reason for yourself, just to motivate you. And then this is how it looks like. And then yeah, you just have it like that. Again, you can just invite your friend here, and yeah, just going through that. And that's basically the idea. So super easy app to use. And then also you can install widgets like this. So just install a home screen widget to see it. Also, you can go and install like a lock screen widget. So if you just go to your wallpaper, you can tap customize, and then you can just tap add widgets and install lock screen widget. I don't know what lock screen widget does. So yeah, you can just log your puffs without opening the app. So that's quite smart. So the app is well designed, like really minimalistic. You don't have all like 50 buttons here. So very nicely built, and yeah, quite a lot of features. This is a quite popular app. If you want to quit vaping, I think this is in top 3 apps you can try. So and then it's, it has a free trial. It has like and then it's 3-day free trial, and then $7 per week, so not that cheap actually. So yeah, per week, yeah, so it's like $30 per month. Yeah, so it's in your interest to use this app in a short period and quit vaping in a short period, because yeah, then it's kind of becomes expensive, right? So it's like $30 per month. It's like $360 per year. So yeah, that's can get quite expensive. But again, try it out for 1 week, try it out for 1 month, and see if it helps you out. So yeah, that's the app. So try it out.